Is your 3D print quality getting worse? Don't worry, eSUN official presets are here. Just import the preset and start printing with better success rates and more consistent results. First, visit the eSUN website. Go to Support, click Parameters Download, and download the official preset for your printer model. Whether you use Bamboo Lab or Creality, most popular printers are supported. Let's start with Bamboo Studio. Open Bamboo Studio, then click File, Import, and Import Configs. Open the downloaded folder. Choose your printer model. Then select the material presets you need, or import them all at once. Once imported, you can simply select the official eSUN preset in the slicer. Now let's look at Creality Print. Open Creality Print, then click File, Import, and Import Configs. Open the downloaded folder. Select your printer model. Then open the configuration file to finish importing. Next, choose your material. In Bamboo Studio, first select your filament here. Then select the same filament here as well. For Creality Print, select your filament here. The official preset already includes optimized temperature, speed, retraction, and other key settings. Support, wall loops, and sparse infill density can be adjusted to match your printing needs. If you want fewer failed prints and less time-tuning settings, download and import the official eSUN presets today. If you have any questions about 3D printing settings, leave a comment or send us a message. We are happy to help.